of my mind, my oh my. Babe, hope you're ready, 'cause I'm gonna say, listen to what I'm about to say. You will find the answer, this energy that's within me might be too much to take. That it's so pretty, I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling fears me, I don't wanna let go. Savor every bit of it, 'cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one left me. You try another guy. It's okay if you cry, but I see you smile, but I see you with two eyes. Hope you come alive. When the ground and lights that shivers down your spine, my oh my. Forever about you and I. Space, we don't need that less time slow. It's space. Fade to black 'cause now we're face to this energy that's within me won't ever let you get. Damn, it's so pretty, I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling feels me, I don't wanna end it. Savor every bit of it, 'cause we're not in a hurry. I need to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living. Dance. You ready? Go! Baby, don't you hurry. As long as you're here with me, you won't take no hurt, 'cause I will be your sanctuary. If you'd only let me orchestrate the story, we won't have to leave this room. We savor everything. Can you read the room? Market, market! Can you read the room? Break it to you, but in this room there's no one living. Maraming salamat, Market! Again, gusto kong pasalamatan lahat ng mga bumubuo para maging successful itong group tour. Again, Warner Music Philippines, One's Entertainment, Market, Ayala Malls, maraming salamat. And of course, our official ninang McDonald's, maraming salamat po. 18, thank you so much. Berries, maraming salamat po. W3, thank you so much. Ha? Ayun! Alam nyo, sa lahat ng mga pinupuntahan ko, namimili kasi ako ng ibabalibang. Pero okay lang ba? This time, dahil last tour na to, last stop, okay lang ba lahat kayo ibalibag ko? Okay lang ba sabay-sabay ko kayo ibalibag? Ha? Hindi, magiging history ito. Pag lahat kayo nabalibag ko ng sabay-sabay. Madali lang naman yung gagawin yung step. Okay lang ba? Pagbibigyan niyo ba ako o hindi? Pagbibigyan niyo ako hindi? Okay lang ba? Sige na, Market, pagbigyan niyo. Isa na. Ganito lang yung gagawin niyo. So una, ipapaling niyo yung katawan niyo dito. Okay? Tapos yung next dito. Tapos yung next, babalik dito. Tapos yung pang-apat, para kayong hihiga. Tapos tatayo kayo. Ganun lang, okay lang ba? Try ulit natin. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, boom! Patingin nga, 5, 6, 7, 8. Market, okay lang ba ibalibag ko kayo? Okay lang ba? Gusto niyo tumayo?